up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you're here. So for today's video, I'm doing my first fall makeup look, and for that I'm going to be using two of the Jaclyn Hill Morphe Vault collection. First, let's talk about this highlight. This is the Dose of Colors, like X I Love Sarahi, Sarahi, however you pronounce it. I can't pronounce it. She is great though. I love her. And this highlight is literally bomb. It's so good. But before I get too sidetracked, we're doing a fall makeup look with these two palettes. It is the Dark Magic palette and the Bling Boss. I'm going to do a little fall makeup tutorial. So if that's something you're interested in and you want to see me get glam, you want to see a glam fall look, then make sure that you just keep on watching. Alright guys, so to start off, I'm dipping into the Bling Boss palette, and I'm going to start with this color right here. It's called Hush Hush. Making this my transition shade, just to get everything started. I love this palette because it's got such pretty colors. Like, I love berry and like purple tones, especially for fall. Like, oh, they're so beautiful. And this color's super pigmented, so it's really pretty, and like the payoff is nice. Also, in case anyone is wondering, I was using the Alamar Cosmetics little like fluffy brush. This came in my June BoxyCharm, so I wanted to put it to good use. So now that we have our transition color down, I'm going to dip into this color right here. It's like a maroony red color, I guess. It's called Sparks, and I'm going to take just a slightly smaller brush. This is the Morphe M433. This is like my favorite like blending brush. It really packs the color on, and it's really easy to like blend everything out with. So just take a little bit of Sparks and just start tapping that on the outer corner. Ooh, yeah, this color is beautiful. Oh yeah, and I really like these colors mixed together. This color is blending out so easily, and like sometimes I hate working with like reds and like maroons because they're so hard to like blend out and not be patchy, but this is actually really beautiful. This is the first time I'm playing with like this specific color in the palette, and I actually really am loving it. Alright, once you have that blended out to perfection, let's just go into the Dark Magic palette now, just to deepen out that outer corner, and we're going to dip into this brown shade right here. This is called Mojo. We're just going to use the same brush. I really like the Dark Magic palette because it is cool toned, and you don't really see a lot of cool tone palettes just because they're not everybody's cup of tea, but it's actually really fun to play with, and I love it. Like, it's probably one of my favorite ones, especially when I want to do like a more creative makeup look. So for this, we're just going to tap it right here on the outer corner. I just want to deepen up this outer V just to give this look a little bit more dimension and to make it a little bit more smoky. I want this to be a more like glam fall look. Here in a few weeks I am going to do like a more neutral soft fall look that most everybody would be comfortable with. This is going to be my more like glam, this is going to be my more like glam, smoky, date night, going out to the bars kind of eye look. If you feel like anything's a little bit too harsh, just take your blender brush again and just go over those edges. Make sure everything is blended out evenly and is looking beautiful. Now it is time for the star of the show. We are going on with the lid color. I'm going to dip into this color Pizzazz. It is really pretty. It's like a maroony purple. I love it. I also really like this color Gem, but I don't think it goes as well with this eye look. So we are going to dip into Pizzazz, and I'm using another Alamar Cosmetics brush. This is just like a little flat shader brush. I'm going to dip into this color and then spritz my brush with a little bit of setting spray just to make sure that I don't have fallout, because I do already have my base makeup on and I don't want to mess it up. Ooh, yeah, that's a pretty color. I like that. This is a beautiful color, but I do actually think I want to go in with a little bit of Gem too, just here on the outer corner right here, just to blend the two colors together. So I'm just going to use that same brush, flip it on the other side, pop that. Ooh, yeah, I like that. Just like a touch to blend everything together, and then just take that Morphe M433 and buff out that edge. Yeah, that's beautiful. This color combination is actually really pretty, and I like it a lot. So let's just do the same thing to the other side. Don't want to be looking crazy with two different eyes, or one eye done and one eye not done. Yeah, that's beautiful. This is so beautiful and smoky. I love it. Like, I am living for this. Once I pop on some lashes, this is gonna be bomb. So I'm gonna pop on some lashes and come back and do the lower lash line for you guys. Alright, I have lashes on. I'm feeling extra dramatic because these lashes are beautiful. I'm using the Style, what is this? Bombshell by Pure Cosmetics. I got these 21 Days of Beauty at Ulta, and I got these for $8. They're normally, I think, $14 or $15. They're beautiful, they are luxurious, they are long, they are dramatic, and they are just what I needed in my life. Yeah. So, to finish out this makeup look, we are going to do the lower lash line. I'm not going to do a lot. I'm not going to do anything crazy. We're pretty dramatic up top. We're pretty much just going to do the same thing on the bottom, just a little less dramatic. I really don't like a dramatic lower lash line. I just add some shadow on the bottom just so that I can like even it out, because it's really heavy on top, and if you just leave the bottom naked, it looks a little funny. But I don't like to do anything too crazy, so let's just jump right into it. I'm going to take Rockstar right here, and I'm going to sweep this under my lash line using the Morphe M506. This is just like a little tiny like blender brush. It's really good for the lower lash line. Just take a little bit of that. You don't need a lot because you don't want it to go too far down. Just buff that onto your lash line. See, now that's a little bit too smoky. I don't think I cleaned my brush before I did this, so it's a little more dramatic than I was going for, but that's fine. I honestly think I'm just going to leave my lower lash line like this because it's pretty even now, and I don't want anything too crazy. I don't want to look like a raccoon. So we're going to leave it just like that, but it is time to highlight the inner corner because it is a little dark and smoky, so I want a little like light. So I'm going to take this silver from the Dark Magic palette because it's so beautiful. I'm going to take that on my Morphe M507, and I think this will be really pretty like as a contrast. So we're just going to pop that. Ooh, yeah, that's pretty. Right here on the inner corner. Yeah, I like the way that looks. And we're even going to pop a little tiny bit on the brow bone. Yeah, that's really pretty. I love this. To finish this look off, I'm going to take the NYX Lip Lingerie in Embellishment. It's this like purple shade, and I'm gonna fill in my lips. This is a nice color to go with this look. These liquid lipsticks are so pretty. They're like $7 and they're so comfortable, and I literally only had to dip into this once and I coated my whole lips. So you definitely get your money worth, and that's what matters when you are on a budget and you have a shopping problem and you buy all of the makeup that you can't afford. But this was actually a really great price. It was like $7, and like I said, I only had to dip in once and it covered my whole lips. I've had it for a while. It's perfect for fall. If you don't have this, you should definitely get it. But guys, this is the finished look. But I'm going to zoom you in, let you get a little closer look. Just be a model for a second. So hold up for that. That is it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like this glam fall makeup look. If you did, make sure that you leave some comments down in the comment section below. Leave this video a big thumbs up so I know you like videos like this. Make sure that you are subscribed and you have hit the little notification bell, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!